Welcome to Senior Health, where we help you age with strength, grace, and confidence. Are your legs feeling weaker, stiff, wobbly? This weakens our muscles, slows down recovery, and increases our risk of falls. But here's the good news. Certain foods can actually fight that decline. Today we reveal one food that could help you regain leg strength in just 12 hours, backed by science. It's not a supplement or a magic pill. It's a common ingredient with some serious benefits. So not only will you have stronger legs, but you'll feel better all over. And don't worry, eating beets won't make your blood sugar spike like other root vegetables. Lightly walk or stretch for 5 to 10 minutes and notice the difference in leg strength, stability, and energy tomorrow. That's because they're naturally low in sugar and high in fiber, which slows down the absorption of any sugars that are present. Thanks for watching. Stay strong, stay steady, and we'll see you in the next video. In fact, one study showed that drinking just 1 cup of beet juice increased leg muscle power in seniors within 12 hours. That's right, 12 hours. Imagine waking up tomorrow and feeling the difference in your legs. You can eat them roasted, raw, pickled, or blended into a smoothie. Beets are simple, natural, powerful. As we age, leg strength often fades, not just from inactivity, but from poor blood flow and inflammation. And it's easy to see why. Beets activate nitric oxide in your body. Think of nitric oxide as a helper molecule. It takes more oxygen and nutrients to your leg muscles so they can work better. The result: your legs feel stronger, steadier, and less stiff. And it's all thanks to the nitrates in beets. And scientists have found that beets are loaded with nitrates that open up our blood vessels, improve circulation, and reduce inflammation. In another study, older adults who ate beets improved their leg strength and balance compared to those who didn't. But wait, there's more. Nitric oxide also helps relax your blood vessels, which lowers blood pressure and improves overall circulation. Now, here's a quick safety tip. If you're taking blood pressure or blood thinning medications, talk to your doctor before making beets a regular part of your diet. So here's your quick action plan. Add half a cup of beets to your meal today. Remember, small changes can make a big impact, especially when they're backed by science.